gonna hop out, pop these guys. Right beside you. I'm gonna stop here. Cover up. Cover up. I got down.
Ooh, it just stopped raining?
Okay, reload. You know, just gotta open that one. Blocks one. Blocks one. Reloading. Trying to. There we go. Okay, we're good. Stay dungeon, as usual.
Rambo blade again.
Nice.
Nice.
Fuck yeah. Okay, I'm switching those Rambos as like my main knife, then I'm gonna stop using hunting knives.
Is one of these still running?
Yes, mine probably. Okay, cover me. I'm reloading. Sorry. Definitely, because I've got. If that's like the fourth one, I picked up one at the start. My knife's got level 3, so I'll use those, and I'll use meat cleavers to continue to grind up. Or I guess I can use those to grind up, and then I've got the Taiga machete thing of doom. Okay, I'm probably gonna grab the Spiffle Vang, because I want it for the wall over that blue thing.
Yep.
We're gonna come back to the blue thing. And
We'll
then I
check
know where
this
there's...
truck out.
Yeah, check it out for sure, see what it's at.
It's not doing super good. I mean...
Spiffo doesn't look great either, but...
Yeah.
We need a Spiffo, and you guys can take those 2 pairs. Yeah, this is good enough anyways. And I can smash up the Spiffo, and we can smash all these cars up actually. We don't really need to worry about anything we're doing while driving these. And there might be some cool Spiffo stuff in the back of this.
Check out this white van, it looks pretty good.
Oh!
82%.
That was me. That was me.
I'll watch north.
It'll be fine once I hotwire. Oh, you gotta. What do? You lock the doors and unlock the doors and the lights or something. There's something you do. Lock the doors, unlock. No, maybe it's. I guess it's starting it. So I thought it was doing the locks or something. Okay, I'm hotwired. Starting. Not starting. Yeah. Okay. I think I need gas. I got a gas can on me. This thing's got gas right here. Filling gas.
So lot.
Southwest, yeah.
Right below you there, Dingo. Yeah, nice. Okay, I'm switching back to my gun for a sec. Fucking die. Oh, there's lots coming.
Yeah,
Shotgun on that.
There's a decent number of sets here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move. Let's move.
No.
Let's
Oh,
move,
yeah.
guys.
Up.
We don't
Dingo,
need to stand our ground here. Come on,
Dingo, up.
Run up towards us.
Up.
Run up towards us.
It's gonna be nighttime very soon.
That's fine. I'm just opening all my ammo on this one guy. I silenced.
I'm also gonna have to open some boxes.
Okay, we gotta run back, come back down. Move.
Yeah, let's move.
Come back down. I just gotta reload my silenced here, and we're good. Loading now. Now here.
Okay, I'm gonna open some boxes.
Yeah, I'm just about done loading, and I opened 4 boxes, so I've got like 3 clips worth to load. I'm good. Okay, I'm good. You guys can reload.